From the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Anchor too many, a brother or a guide, making friends wherever he rides, with bogey biker rolling side by side through the three twisted sisters. What a ride! Now he's added to the horde, a green machine, a 2024 gold wing riding clean. They call it the Hulk and it's easy to see, power and pride in harmony. From Invader down to Uvalde's line, every curve he owns, every mile's divine. Throw the wide open heart even wider, born to roam, a lone star rider. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Anchor too many, a brother or a guide, making friends wherever he rides, with bogey biker rolling side by side through the three twisted sisters. What a ride! Chrome reflections, stories unfold in the rumble of the road. Legends are told, and when he lands, you'll know he's near. By the roar, the laugh, the ice cold beer. Kelly B gliding, soul on two wheels, living for the ride and the way it feels. From sunrise rides to hill country nights, he's carving the wind, chasing the lights, with bogey biker and the stars aligned. It's a road life anthem, pure and refined. Yeah, that's Kelly B, gliding free.